changed up the colors. We're using 2 different kinds of purple, the pink, and a little bit of green. And it's for this little guy. Okay, so this is what I've decided to do. So we've got, it's like that petal we just did on the other little mini one. So I'm just making those. I'm doing the purple one now. So again, you fold it in half, and then I go about middle, and then I fold, and then this time I'm trying to fold this one over like that, and then you take this guy, bring him over like that, take this guy, bring him over like that, and then you scrunch it up, okay, and you zip tie. Okay, so here's what's going to be different. This has got 4 colors, and I just thought of something. I'm trying to think what color I should add, and I'm thinking a yellow. So here's what we're going to try it. So let's cut that. So what I'm going to do is we're going to take this one. We're going to keep the green on the outside, right? Maybe we'll do it this way. Have the purple like that, and then have the pink like this. Now we're going to zip tie this, but I think I'm going to trim these all up. Okay, I'm going to trim these up. I'm trying to make like a bundle so that we can just do one bundle on the wreath and it'll be all taken care of, right? So let's just cut these all up. Again, I go about, like that. So that one's a little shorter. And then thinking I'm going to put the pink at the back, then the green. Oh no, let me put this purple at the back. Let's do it this way. We'll go green, because that's the bigger one. And we'll go purple, or green. Wow, purple, green, pink, and then purple. Okay, now we're going to try and zip tie these together. This will be fun. So I'm going to hold them like that. I can do it. Oops, wrong way. Okay, so now I'm going to try and put them all over top of the other zip ties, right, if I can. There we go. Ouch. I pinched myself. Okay. So let's trim this guy. So let's try to get this guy. Okay. So this is what it looks like. Okay. Oh, I pinched my finger with my needle nose. So then what I was thinking, if we take, oh, I can't use that yellow because that yellow is for the next one, I think. Yeah. Okay, so what we can use, you know what, I got a piece here, so let's try it. So here I'm going to do this, same idea as this one. Fold it over. Okay, you fold it over. And then, now you can start, trying to get this even. So, you start scrunching. Okay, see how that is? So what I was thinking is we can either put it at the back, or at the front, or at the back. You could try and make it a little smaller so we can put it at the front. Let's see if we do this. Kind of like a little fold over. Let's try this one. I don't know if it'll work because it's small. It's too small. It's too small. So why don't we do this? Guys, it's all trial and error. All trial and error. Like that. Like that. Fold it. And then scrunch it. No, I don't like that. We'll just do the other one. We'll just make it smaller. I gotta trim all this off though. This is driving me crazy. Let's trim this off. Now this piece is it's an extra piece. It's going to be a little smaller than 10 by 10. So okay, let's try it now. So we go like that. Go like this. So you could scrunch it from the middle like that. You get your end piece there, and then get this end. Okay, see, like that. So now, but if I'm trying to see if I can make it smaller. There we go. There we go. Let's do that. I don't want it to be the same as that one. Okay. This guy turned another way. Okay. So if we put it there, where's the open? I mean, the other option is what we can do. Let's go like this. Yeah, I don't like that. Okay, well, I think I'll just do them like this. Without the yellow. But I might... I mean, it's gonna look okay. Right? So, well, let's get it on there. I'm gonna put this zip tie through this purple one and the one that we put right around the whole, all of them. If I can get it in there. If I can do it, can I do it? Let's move that thing out of the way. There we go. So then we'll do like we did on the other one. We'll put it right across like this. Or should we have it so it stands up? I'm thinking if we can get it to stand up. Let's try that. think I'll go with that. But I think what I'm going to do is like keep the green in the middle and then take, say, the light purple next, and then green, and then pink, and that dark, you know what I mean? So let's try that. So let's get these guys all done up, and then we can put them together. Close this guy. So once I go get this next bundle done, you guys, I'm gonna do some of it off camera because I want to get all the bundles done, and then once, because I'm thinking it's probably gonna be 4. That's what my guess is. I lost those. I'm gonna try this one. On top. Get on top. Get on top. Oh, I lost them again. There's the green one. We'll get this one on together, and then the rest, and then I'll do the other 2 bundles, and then we'll put them on together. Okay? I think that sounds like a plan. I need to get this up. He's a little bit too low down, because we have to see the green. Gotta see the green. Terrace on the middle, it would affect it. Bum, 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 bum. Oh, there's a purple. Let's get the purple done. Purple's a little bit bigger, but we can make it, try and make it the same. That, hold him over this way. And we'll put you on your side, like that. Put you on this side. This. There we go. There we go. He looks good. They're all different, and you know what? There's some really good creators out there, and but for me, I don't know. I guess I look more easy going. I guess if I really was making it for somebody else, you know, perfection for myself. Okay, so what color are we missing? Pink. Let's do a pink. And then we'll get the bundle together. See, my thing is this part here inside, right? It's too bad I didn't have something I can put in there. Actually, I do have something I could do. we'll have, see, I'm trying to do one's a little bit big, kind of like the purple, so we'll put the pink next for the back. Get these guys trimmed. Yeah, I moved my garbage over here so I can do this easier. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so we're going to have the pink at the back, and then you do your green, right? So if you look at this, because you got pink here, I'm thinking of putting it on this side. So you'll have the pink, and then I think I'll do the green like that, and then you'll have this purple. Actually, we'll put the green there. Have this purple, because it won't, even though the purple's over here, if you get this one over here, it'll be beside this purple, right? So we'll get those there. Get up there, you. I wonder if I should turn him. I'm going to turn him. Yeah, let's do that. Yeah. So we got the green, we got the purple, and we got the other purple. This is going to be a fun one. This is going to be a fun one to put together, because these are a little shorter, so I'm going to have to start making their tails a little bit longer for this to work. So I'm going to take this zip tie, I'm going to bring it around here, try and get it around all the other zip ties, because then you've got everything for sure in case the other ones break. So if one of these was to break, this should keep it together, right? Okay, so he's done. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at it. See, this guy's a little bit, I gotta watch how I make him, the middle one. He sticks out more, but I'll just go with it. So, got that. So now you want it right here, right? You want it right there. So, I think this is gonna work. I think this time I'm gonna put, no, it has to go this way. So again, see where you got the one we just put on is right there, and then this is the pink. So we try and catch both of those. So make sure you got it on the right. When you hear that, that means you got it the right way. Okay, so now we're going to put it same. Okay, so we got it, those. This one broke, so I got to put another one on here. So let's get this guy back on. So again, guys, just go, I go try and do it near the top to go right across. I don't know if can you see that? Probably not. See, try and catch as many as you can. There we go, like that. And then there we go. I'm going to make one more to fit it so it fills it in really good. And then I have to figure out how I want to do, because look at this. You get them in like that. That looks so cool. So I want to try and do something different for the middle, and I'm thinking of changing that other one we did where we already put the hummingbird on it. So let's get the other petals done, and then I'll be back. Okay, There it is. Okay, we're gonna finish up these petals. I'm gonna put you on when it goes fast.